This is the brief on the Vatha Sutta, also known as the simile of the cloth. So this is a really crucial teaching from the Buddha's middle discourses. He uses this simple but powerful analogy. Think of your mind as a piece of fabric. And it turns out, only cleaning it from the inside is what truly matters for your spiritual journey. Okay, so first let's talk about this core idea of purity and destiny. The Buddha basically says that a mind filled with unskillful qualities is like a dirty, soiled cloth. You try to dye it, but the color just won't take, right? This leads to a bad destiny. But a clean mind? That's like a clean cloth. It takes the dye perfectly, leading to a good destiny. Second, what exactly is this dirt we're talking about? Well, the Buddha lists 16 of these mental corruptions, things like jealousy, anger, deceit, all that inner turmoil. The idea is that when you start to give these things up, you don't just clear your mind. You gain this deep, genuine confidence in the path and its teachers. And finally, this all leads to the idea of inner bathing over external rituals. Now, this was a direct challenge to the custom of bathing in sacred rivers to wash away bad deeds. The Buddha says, look, that's useless if you're still a cruel person. True purification is about eliminating those mental corruptions and actively practicing things like compassion and loving kindness. The lesson of the simile of the cloth is that the only place to find true sanctuary is within your own mind, making internal purity the absolute foundation for spiritual growth.